The greater good.
Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. Today I wanted to talk to you about the most profitable crypto miners that I have in my farm currently. So before I get too deep into it, if you don't mind, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. It helps more than you guys know. Check out some of my other crypto content. I've got tons of it. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. If you guys watch the market closely like I do, and I'm guessing you do if you have money and skin in the game, you know crypto crashed pretty hard since yesterday. FOMC meeting, 25 basis point drop. Despite that news, there has been a massive sell-off, and we're under $100,000 for Bitcoin. We're at 98,000, and everything just has been tanking. But despite all that, my Alephium miners are still my most profitable miners currently. And that's after a massive sell-off for Alephium as well. So we were in the $2 range. We were like $2.30 mid-December. Now it's December 19th, and the price has dropped down to $1.58. But despite that, they are still my most profitable miners in my farm. Currently, my AL2 Lite on hashrate.no is making $5 a day in revenue and profiting about $4 or so, depending on when you look at the price, because it keeps on fluctuating just like everything else in crypto. It's very volatile. And my AL zeros, I have two of them, are each pulling in $1 a day in revenue and only take about 100 watts a piece. So I've stacked a pretty good bag, but I still want to stack more Alephium. At the pool, I am yielding 4 Alephium per day. If we take a look at the price of Alephium today at $1.57, we're talking about, $6.30 or so of fiat money, dirty fiat money per day that I'm mining with my 2 AL0s and the AL2 Lite. But if you look at the peak that we hit earlier this year in February when everything was pumping, then it would be over $15 per day of Alephium, and I'm only taking about 700 watts with these 3 miners. The question on every miner's mind is it too late to mine? Are we so close to the bull run that it isn't worth it to take the risk on equipment and you should just buy the coin? And that's a tough question. I do think we are getting close to the point where you might want to either just buy the crypto or hold on to what you have. But I'm also, and nothing I say is financial advice, but I'm also in the mindset of, I know what it was like to mine and buy and hold during a very long bear market. And if the cycles continue to repeat themselves, I feel like I want to go all in. And I don't want to wait another 4 or 5 years before another bull run pops up. I'm in the mindset right now, anything that isn't strapped down or necessary, I'm thinking about selling off so I can buy more hardware and buy more crypto before the real pumps start happening. We've seen Bitcoin go over $100,000. We're waiting for altcoin season, and it isn't here yet, guys. So my mindset is I am wanting to go all in on hardware and crypto before it's too late, and that time is coming very soon. I've talked about this a lot in my recent videos, like total crypto market cap, and you can see that it has gone up exponentially over the course of the last several bull runs. Where do you think this could go next if you look at the previous cycles? Do you think that you are also patient enough to wait for another 4 or 5 years before another bull run like this comes around? We have politicians that are going to be taking over office that are crypto friendly, and they are appointing other crypto friendly politicians to help guide them. We will have clarity in some of the regulations that we've been waiting on. And you don't have to have been through multiple cycles to know. You can do research, you can, dig into articles, you can look at other YouTube videos from other content creators and see the price of the equipment is going to go up. It's not going to get any more affordable over the next 6 months to a year. It's only going to get more expensive. So I do feel like I am wanting to make a few more moves before everything just blows up. Tell me what you guys think. I would like to hear just your opinion in the comment section. What do you think about the AL3? I'm going to show you some pricing on several different sites, and these are, I have affiliate codes and discount codes for each of these, but this is not a sponsored video. So let's just look at some of the prices for an AL3, an AL2, an AL0, and then you guys tell me what you think. Would you be buying these miners right now? The three resellers I'm going to be looking at is nhash.net, cryptominerbros.com, and terahashes.com. So let's start with nhash. Their Ice River AL3 is $44.99 and the AL2 Lite $9.49. And then it looks like the AL0 $249 to $299. Let's take a look at why they have two different prices. Okay, so they have a buy 5 or more, you get a discount of $50 per. So that's if you're looking to get a decent deal on a AL0 shipped, they have like a minimum MOQ of 5 to get the discount. So that's something to consider. Now let's take a look at Crypto Miner Bros. Crypto Miner Bros AL2 Lite shipped to your door $1,029, but if you use discount code greater, you can get $70 off. And like I said, the link is in the description of the video too. So use discount code greater, $70 off. That brings it down around $9.59 shipped, which brings it back to about the price of the AL2 Lite on nhash. AL3 is $46.99 and the AL0 is $4.49. AL2 Lite on terahashes is $11.50 and then the AL3 is $46.75. One of the benefits of buying through terahashes is you could always have it shipped straight to Terra Hosting. That's where I have my 3 KS5Ls and my KS3M, which I am still running. You guys might think I'm crazy, but I'm just letting it run for now. But I have those 4 miners hosted at Terra Hosting right now. So one of the benefits of buying through terahashes is you can talk to Terra Hosting and have it shipped directly to the hosting company, so you don't have to deal with running to 40 volt, trying to deal with the noise and the heat and everything like that. So like I said, this is not a sponsored video. This is where I host my equipment, and that helps with like logistics and all of that. So if you don't have 240 volt to run the AL3, you could skip dealing with it yourself and send it straight to Terra Hosting, and they have good electric rate too. And then last but not least, you have directly buying from iceriver.io. I do have a discount code. It is greater, and you can get 2.5% off of a lithium miner if you use discount code greater. So the only tricky part is you have to watch out for tariffs, and there will be a shipping charge. So I'm just going to take the AL0 as an example because I know that there won't be tariffs on an AL0. They're only $199. And then the power supply is $19.90, but I have a video I'll show on the screen right now that I'd recommend. These are power supplies where you can run like up to 3 AL0s if you keep them stock, or you could run 2 overclocked AL0s. I also have an overclocking video to show you how to overclock the AL0. I have a setup video to show you how to set up the AL0. I also have a setup video to show you how to set up the AL2 Lite. So check out those videos. Anyway, $220, and then you get 2.5% off with my discount code. And then with shipping and my discount, you're paying about $269 for an AL0 direct from Ice River. And like I said, the discount code is greater. So those are some options on buying the AL0, the AL2 Lite, and the AL3. The AL3 and the AL2 Lite are sold out on Ice River's website right now. But if you're looking for a KS2 Lite, if you're looking for a KS0 Ultra, those are in stock. They have hosted mining machines that are still in stock for the Kaspa miners, and you can buy straight up the Kaspa miners. But don't forget about tariffs and shipping. So make sure you're looking at all that when you buy from the resellers versus directly from iceriver.io. Sometimes it's a little better deal to buy from iceriver.io depending on the shipping and the tariffs and all that. So I'm thinking about making a few more big moves before the anticipated bull run of 2025. Like I said, I think we're running out of time here. If you are hesitating, you might miss the boat. So subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so when I post a new video, you guys will know. Check out my Discord, follow me on Twitter, and last but not least, don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good.
The greater good.